In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use coupon in Bybit. Identity verification is an essential security step on Bybit, ensuring that you meet regulatory requirements and safeguarding your account. Here's how to do it. Log in to your newly created Bybit account using your email and password. Navigate to your account settings by clicking on your profile icon in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Account and Security. Complete the identity verification process. This may include providing personal information and uploading documents like your ID card or passport. Bybit takes privacy and security seriously, so this step is crucial for account safety. Once your identity is successfully verified, you're ready to explore and utilize Bybit coupons. Log into your Bybit account. Head to the Rewards tab, usually located in the top menu bar. Within the Rewards section, navigate to the Coupons or Promotions category. Here, you'll discover a range of available coupons, referral codes, and promotions. For referral codes, typically, you need to copy the code provided and share it with a friend or another potential Bybit user. Referral codes often provide bonuses to both the referrer and the referee. For bonus coupons, simply click the Redeem or Claim button. The bonus amount will be added to your Bybit account. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more.